Hello, Melissa and Mickey here. I am back at Disneyland. Yes, back at Disneyland. There is so many new nighttime extravaganza events that I had to come back. I'm so excited to see the Electric Light Parade, World of Colors back, Fantasmic's back, and we are here to see that this weekend. So, our first stop, we just got here in Anaheim. I'm at the beautiful Disneyland Resort Hotel. As you guys know, I love the large rooms here. I love the e-ticket lounge. So I'll be touring you around all of those amazing magical places this week. So stay tuned and watch all the videos. And today we are in a club level standard 2-queen room, and we've got a pool view. We are in 2840. Here we go, and I want to give you a tour, so let's go. Let's see, 2840. Yay! I love the Disneyland rooms. Look at the fireworks on the carpet. It's just so inviting, so magical. And of course, we have the beautiful backdrop to our bedding, and I'll show you that in a little bit. You guys know it holds a special place in my heart because my kids grew up here, and my daughter Paigey loves to turn on the headboard. So yes, so here's our room. As always, I'm gonna start with a brief overview and then we'll get into the details. So again, this is a 2-queen room. I love that underneath the beds there is room for storage, and we have a chair here, and we have a lamp, and we have beautiful bedding. I love it. All the Disney touches. There's Mickey and the stars. A dream is a wish your heart makes on the beautiful velvet fabric. You've got reading lights here. Oh, these beds are so comfortable too. Oh my goodness, they are so comfy. And here we have the pull-out sleeper sofa, and I will show you how that works. It is already made out for us, and all I had to do was flip it, and it's pretty much a twin size. Yeah, and so that's all you do. So bedding for 5. And we have another lamp here, floor lamp, and love the Disney touches. There's Walt and Mickey holding hands. So nostalgic. I just love it. And moving on here, welcome Giles family. This time I'm here with my husband. He is coming along on my work trip, so I can get lots of footage of all the new events to show you guys. So our flat screen TV is here. We have a Keurig coffee maker. We have our condiment kit, which I love, and it has 2 sugars, 2 sugar substitutes, 2 liquid creamers, and 2 stirrers. We have to-go cups here. We have Joffrey's French roast, and then we also have 2 decafs, 2 regulars, and then 2 English breakfast teas. If you need ice, there's your bucket. We also have a beautiful chest of drawers here. It has great storage, deep storage here. And then in this, we have our refrigerator. And again, my guests always say, how much can we fit in that refrigerator? I recommend 2.5 gallons of milk, and then a few waters and light snacks and things like that. So it is a small dorm size refrigerator. All right, and there's our second bed, queen bed, and then we have our side table here with storage, and then we have our remote control, and it is safety sealed. And let's look at this. Let's look at the headboard. So you guys know me, and you know I love this. So we have an on-off switch here for the light, and then look at this. Let's turn on A dream is a wish your heart makes plays when you push that second button there and your headboard lights up. The fireworks go off And it reminds me of my daughter Paige. She used to love this. So nice. And there you can hear it. Yay, love that. So magical. And here is your alarm clock, and you have 2 USBs there, which is great. You have your phone. And let's see. Oh, there's Walt. I love that. Walking underneath Aurora's castle. So nice. And here is your desk. So sometimes I do work. I book Disney trips when I come on these work trips. So if you are like me and need to work, you can actually sit down at the desk and get some work done. And we have USB plugs here. We have regular plugs. We have a beautiful mirror and Disney touches. Look at that. So here is a connecting door. So if you are traveling with more than 5, just let me know when we book your trip. I can request connecting, and we can even in some instances do guaranteed connecting. So just email me and we'll talk about it and see what we need to do to accommodate your family. So here we have a full-length mirror. Look at these double sinks. Look at the size of this. This is such a nice vanity area. So lots of storage. There's a hairdryer, towels, tissues, and our Disney touches here. We've got Mickey. I love that. And then look here on the light. There's Mickey's hand. So cute. And then Mickey all around. Awesome. And then we have a makeup mirror, and we have hand towels. We have H2O products, black granite. So nice. And then here's our other H2O products that you're used to seeing. Here is our bathroom shower. It is in a tub in this room. And we've got, let's see here if I can turn on the lights. So we have a shower head here. And then we have Mickey touches. There's Mickey. Awesome. And then here's your toilet area. There's the Jungle Cruise. I love that. And your toilet, pretty simple. And that's it. So let's look at our view now. Oh, I forgot the closet. Let's go into the closet. So you've got extra pillows and blankets, and they're usually safety sealed. Yeah, so right here, if you need that for that extra bed, the 5th bed, we have an ironing board, we have hangers, we have an ironing board there and an iron, and then we have a place to put our luggage, and then of course this is if you need to get any cleaning done, and then we have a safe that you set the code. So awesome. Now let's go look at the view. One of the things I like about Disneyland Hotel is that we have floor to ceiling windows. And if you can see here, wow, we've got the pool area. So fun. There's our classic pool, the monorail pool. All of our guests, it's June, so we've got lots of swimmers outside. So super fun. All right. Very good. And for your next Disney vacation, Disneyland, Disney World, Adventures by Disney, Disney Cruise, it's all my specialty. Contact Melissa and Mickey. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. There is no extra charge to use me as your travel agent when you book your cruise or your hotel or your Adventures by Disney with me. It's exact the same price as what you would book if you did it on your own. Plus, you and I can work together, and you won't miss a thing because I'm here all the time and I am a Disney expert. So you will not regret having me on your side, and I look forward to working with your family and planning the Disney magic. See you real soon.